To subscribe my channel, please press subscribe button and press bell button to get notification of my videos at the earliest.
Hi friends, I'm Aarti. Welcome to my channel Dazzling Diva. Today I have received one box from Jabong. I have ordered Label Ritu Kumar dress in the big brand sale because it really offered a jaw-dropping price offs. So I have bought many things from this, but I cannot get enough time to do this Jabong haul. So I thought I should do something today because as a Jabong sale is starting, Independence sale is starting from 11th of August, that is tomorrow. As every time I give you the reminder of the sale, so I thought this is also the time I should share with my YouTube family that the sale is starting from 11th of August. This is an Independence sale. It is 47% to 72% off. I'm doing unboxing this time and this is my first unboxing video. So I hope you will like it. So this is a Label Ritu Kumar dress. So this is a box, as you can see. It's a huge box. Even I was asking the courier person, oh, what is this? I haven't ordered this, but after looking at it, then I remember, yes, it is a dress which I've ordered. So this is that dress, but it has come in such a big box. So I thought I should share with you because after looking at it, I thought, oh my God, a gift from Jabong. So let us start the unboxing. So let me cut this box and see. See, this is a huge box in which it's packed. So I'm starting this unboxing. This is a big box from Jabong. So I'm taking out, this is another packet. This is another box. And the beauty is that, see how I have to open this. See, it's opened like this. And in between there is a packet which contains this my Label Ritu Kumar dress, and there's a message written from Jabong that thank you for being part of exclusive Jabong Dukes Club, and I'm really thankful to Jabong also for giving my dress in this manner. It's really so beautifully packed. So let me take out the dress. See. So this is the dress which I received. This is very, very beautiful. It's very comfortable material. This is a beautiful dress from Label Ritu Kumar. See, it's very, very beautiful on the neck. It is having this pintex in this V shape. Pintex are over here, and this is these are laces which are on the sides, and it has very beautiful bell sleeves. So till here these are straight, and then afterward there is a bell. So which is very, very beautiful, and there is a lace detailing over here and lace detailing at this point also, and it is having this yoke. This is a yoke, and afterward it is flared. This dress is flared. It is self-designed dress. So this material of this is chanderi. It's somewhat blended material. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable because it is so soft. So I can tell you, and it has come with this gown slip. This is a slip, and it comes with this dress because this dress is transparent. So it is very beautiful, and the MRP of this dress is rupees 9400. So which is so much. And when I tell you that I bought it off 1895 rupees. So really the discount is too much. I'm so happy after buying this dress, really too satisfied, because buying a dress of 9400, maybe I'll never think of buying this, but in this discount, in this Jabong big brand sale, I bought this dress, and buying a dress from Label Ritu Kumar is also again a very huge thing for me. So I'm so happy after getting this, and I cannot hold my happiness, so I thought I should share with my YouTube family. That's why I've done this unboxing in front of you, and definitely I'll be doing try-on haul of this dress. When I'll be doing Jabong haul, then I'll be including this dress in that, but as there's a shortage of time, so I'm doing this unboxing only today. So I'm going to share that try-on haul of this dress afterwards with you. The picture of this dress is given on the side, so you can see the stats of this dress, how it looks. But the try on haul is definitely on cards, and I'll be doing it in the next Jabong haul. That's a promise from my side. That's all by my side in this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. For details and links, please check the description box. For latest fashion updates, turn on the notification bell. And friends, please give the comments. Please give a big thumbs up, because I'm really working hard on my videos and I expect a motivation from your side also. It's a request to my YouTube family to give a thumbs up and do write in the comment box, and your feedback is really valuable for me. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Keep growing, keep glowing. See you soon.